What's up, Shogun Clan? Today we're going to be showing you how to mix Shogun Samurai Terra. Step 1. Fill your tank with plain water. Step 2. Depending on where you're at in the growing stage, take either Terra Grow or Terra Bloom. Step 3. Shake and add at the recommended rates stated in the feed charts. Top tip, mix well. Never add Terra Grow and Terra Bloom together. In a couple of weeks when it comes to adding Terra Bloom, you want to do the same. Step 4. Measure the pH, and there you have it. It is now ready to add to your plants.